So, hi guys! Here I have this amazing tambourine. Do you know what is a tambourine? Tambourine is this kind of instrument. There are many kinds, but this one was especially designed for you guys to make your own tambourines at home. So in this video, we're going to learn how to make this awesome instrument. So let's read the letter and then follow me for how you have to do it, okay? Tambourines are well-known percussion instruments and can be used in orchestras, marching bands, and other music groups. It can be played in various ways and rhythms. It's easy, simple, and a lot of fun. In this activity, you will make a tambourine and use it to play with your family and friends. Weave the string through the bell. This is the string, this one, yeah? So you're gonna weave through the bell first. These are the bells, okay? We have 9 bells over here. So you're gonna weave them, then weave through the hole. There are 9 holes here. Pull tight, like tight, very tight. And you can make a bowl, like for an added flair, you know, if you want to, or just like the way I did over here. See, it's so much fun making these, and even more fun when you play it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it.